So most traders are actually using AI completely wrong, and this is why you might be stuck, right? It's not because you're dumb. It's because you might be using it a bit backwards. If we haven't met yet, my name is Sam, and I'm a full-time trader, and I help other traders become consistent. No hype, no gambling, just real structure and real edge. And I have mentored a couple dozen of traders at this point who try to use AI to get rich faster. And almost all of them failed. Not because AI doesn't work, all right? It's because they just misunderstood it. So let me show you a bit what I mean. There's this prevailing fantasy that AI will just find my trades. They want to replace thinking with AI. So you want AI entries, AI signals, a magic indicator, basically autopilot trading, which can work potentially. If that's something that you might be interested in, watch. I'm going to break down a little bit later. All right. I had a trader message me, can Chat GPT tell me what to buy? Like that question alone. And that's kind of the problem here, is that AI doesn't really have your edge. It doesn't know your rules or your expectations. It doesn't understand context unless you give it the actual context itself. It gives generic answers if you ask it generic questions, and you take generic trades, and then you don't really get anywhere in trading, right? You can find this, revolutionary strategy. I know one guy, I know he automated everything. It didn't have a model or anything, just AI summaries and signals. It passed nothing. It blew 2 challenges, and the guy, he wasn't lazy, but he was just outsourcing in a different kind of way. So here is where you might be messing this up. The real problem itself isn't AI, and I hope that this is obvious to you, because with some people, it's really not. AI helps to expose weak traders, and it's not going to fix them though, okay? So if you think that AI failed you, it just kind of revealed you. Maybe you didn't have a defined strategy, there was no statistical edge. There were no written rules, so AI, it just kind of helps to mirror confusion, and it amplifies it as well. The failed attempts begin to look similar. You have random entries, you're hopping between strategies way too fucking frequently, or if you're stacking indicators still, you're definitely messing this up, and AI is going to help you speed that up, which might be one of the few beneficial things, because you might realize that you're messing up sooner, or hopefully you do. So no, it's not just you, okay? I've seen this pattern repeatedly, especially with smart people. They make the same mistake, okay? You're not blind, you're just unfocused. So if you want to help get unfocused and help AI fix this for you, check out my trading newsletter. It's in the comment section down below. It's also going to help you pass prop firm challenges and get paid out, even if you are on, a lower budget, and it's for free. So you got nothing to lose by checking it out. All right. So how AI, I believe, can actually help traders. It's more of a thinking tool as opposed to a trading tool. Okay. So if you want a step-by-step framework, here's what you can do. You want to refine your strategy logic, okay? So you want to stress test a certain model. Where are the weak assumptions in that? The next step is that you want to journal your analysis. You want to paste just 20 trades that you do, and you're going to ask for a pattern breakdown. And it's going to help you identify the repeated mistakes that you've been making. The next step that you're going to do is with scenario trading. So what invalidates a certain setup that you're taking? Where is the liquidity likely hanging out? That's something that you need to be paying a lot of attention to. What conditions are going to help reduce your edge in trading, all right? And then the very last step that you're going to do is you're going to have an emotional audit. It's going to describe, you're going to describe to it your trading week, what it was like. Ask for behavioral patterns. And you would be surprised how excellently not only this works, but helps you get better results. All right. And I'm going to paste this down below so that you don't have to sit here and write this down. And if you appreciate that, please smash the like button, because I appreciate you guys watching and tuning in. And it also helps show that what I'm talking about actually makes sense and resonates with you. Okay. But I had a trader recently redo his journal that he made, and mentally, for a lot of people, and especially myself first starting out, this is actually quite challenging to do, is to undo something, right? And AI helped find that he was breaking his rules only after just 2 losses. It's not random, it's just an emotional spiral in a way. And he fixed that pattern almost immediately, and the performance helped to kind of stabilize itself out, okay? But AI, it didn't actually save him. Self-awareness did, and AI just helped him get to that, okay? So one of my last parts that I want to go in, and this is kind of a much more deeper shift in like this whole topic, is that AI can help make good traders better, okay? So AI can amplify things, but it can amplify structure instead of chaos. So if you do have rules, AI can help sharpen those rules for you. If you have data, man, it's going to help you organize it like you wouldn't believe. If you lack clarity, the AI can help. It multiplies confusion, and it can help get rid of it too. It's a force multiplier is what it can function as. It's not going to be a replacement brain though, and I hope to God you're not trying to replace your brain by a fucking robot. If you do, then just tune out because this isn't for you, bro. So, if you struggled, it's probably not from tech, it's from foundation, and foundation is quite flexible. But you need to build your model first. Define your edge, track 30 trades, and then bring AI in. If you want a click button simplicity for trying to do that, check out my newsletter. I've helped quite a few people do that already. And most of them are prop firm traders, but I think 1 or 2 of them, they were just regular traders. And AI just took away all the heavy lifting for them so that you can go and enjoy life and, I don't know, play golf or something. I don't know. I just had some champagne last weekend. And Monday showed up, I was still hungover, and I still made money. It was pretty nice. But, if it helped, please like the video. It tells me what to make next. And please drop a comment. If you're using AI right now in trading, please comment down below and tell me how you are using it. I read all your comments, by the way, and I appreciate every single one of them. I'm actually kind of surprised there's not a whole lot of trash talkers. I think I still have a small channel, so I've got... if someone starts trash talking, I might be doing something right, okay? But more importantly, please check out the newsletter. I put breakdowns, training, no fluff. I don't like to be spammed, so I'll send out an email no more than once a week, okay? And that's the next step. But all in all, AI itself, I don't really believe it to be the shortcut. It's the amplifier. So if you're confused, it's going to amplify that. If you're structured, it's going to help you get progress more quickly, but it's not going to replace you, and it shouldn't. The real edge itself is going to come from you. So help build the trader inside of you first, and then you can use the tools. And I'll check you guys out in the newsletter. Peace.